Good morning and welcome to Purdue News. My name is Claire Connolly.
And I am Xiao Shufei.
And we are here to talk to you about an opportunity many of you are unaware of. Purdue's one and only traditional Indian folk dance team, Boiler Bhangra.
Bhangra is an Indian folk dance originates from the Punjabi region of the Indian subcontinent. Boiler Bhangra stays true to this traditional dance while adding modern elements to it, incorporating both women and men in this dance. Bhangra is a unique type of dance because many other dances include movement close and tight together, but Bhangra involves wider dances.
Boiler Bhangra is a competition team that takes this traditional dance across the country. Team members get the opportunity to travel to competitions all over the U.S. This year alone, the team has already traveled to Wisconsin and Michigan. As you can guess, this dance takes a lot of practice. The team meets at least twice a week.
Although this dance does take a lot of time to practice, it is still very simplistic and easy to learn. So even if you are not the most coordinated person or the best dancer, you can definitely still take advantage of this opportunity. To show how fast you can catch on, we sent 2 reporters to learn from the representative of the Boiler Bhangra team, Adriana Bendek.
Hello, I'm Patrick, and I'm here with Michael, along with Purdue News, alongside Adriana, who is our Boiler Bhangra representative. She's going to teach us how to learn Bhangra today.
The first step we're going to learn is called Faslan. Okay, I'm going to demonstrate first, and then I'll teach you footwork and then arms. So it's going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
All right,
Okay?
we can do that. Yeah, we can do that. For sure.
Do you guys want to try it first, or do you want me to?
Yeah, let's do it. Let's
All
try
right,
it.
go for it. Ready? I'll count down. So first starting position is here, and we're going to do a little hop at 8, and then go ahead and
Hop at
start.
8.
Hop
All
at
right.
8. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and down 5, 6, 7, 8. Wow, you guys caught on really quickly.
Wow, we did.
Next step is going to be the maul, okay? And it's bringing your leg up like this for each count. So it's going to be a little hop, and then back down, and then that's it. Okay? So let's try that with a little hop. Okay?
Got it.
5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good job, guys. We're going to bring them here, and then we're going to come and slide them to the other side. So kind of sweet. Make sure your fingers are closed. So like, you got it.
Got it.
So that's going to be 1. Okay? Then we're going to do point, point, point.
4 points.
Yeah. This step is called the single stand. So it's going to go 1, 2, 3. Yeah. So let's try that with the footwork.
Okay.
Okay, so it's going to go 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's try that again. So it's going to go 1. So like, first one is going to be hit there.
Okay.
With your hands out
Okay.
while falling. So don't point. Don't point. There. Your other hand. There you go. 1. Okay, so this one's like fast. There you go. That was good.
So, even though we haven't quite mastered this dance, obviously, in just 15 minutes, we have already gotten down the basic foot movements and hand movements. So, if we can do it, you can definitely do it. To get more information on Bhangra dance, we turn now to Adriana Bendek.
Hello, I'm here with Adriana Bendek today, who is one of the co-captains of Boiler Bhangra. So, Adriana, can you tell us how you got involved with this organization?
Yeah, I got involved in high school at first. I was really interested in Bhangra. And then I came to college, and as a freshman, I saw a bunch of posters and flyers talking about Boiler Bhangra tryouts. So I tried out, I got in, and now I'm captain.
Okay, so now, after we have been rehearsing the routines, I'd like to know more about what kind of music is involved.
Well, we try to incorporate a lot of modern music along with the traditional folk Punjabi music that comes with Bhangra. And so to kind of appease our audience, we incorporate a lot of modern music with our traditional.
Adriana, now, a lot of people in the audience may be interested in your organization. Can you tell them how to get involved?
Of course. So we have a Facebook page, Boiler Bhangra. Then you can also look out for our flyers in the fall
for our callouts. We also are going to be hosting a couple workshops if you just want to get to know some of the basic steps. And if you are really interested, you can go ahead and email us at boilerbhangra@gmail.com.
Thank you, Adriana.
As you can see, Bhangra is really easy to pick up on. It's also a great way to stay in shape without having to do all those tireless workouts at the gym. Aside from that, it's a great way to meet new people and really get a team bonding experience.
It is also a great opportunity for you to broaden your knowledge about another culture and create a competitive atmosphere.
Signing off, I'm Claire Connolly.
And I'm Xiaoshu Fei. Thanks for watching today's Purdue News.